Hello friends, I am Abhishek Kumar Sharma and today I will give you a basic introduction of a very good module which has come into the market and which is known as the Arduino Uno, and I want to share it with you. It is a basic microcontroller known as the Arduino Uno. The market price of this small electronic module is rupees 350, and just today I have purchased it, and it can be used for giving input and we can derive output. Inputs we can take from some of the sensors and thereby we can get the desired outputs. Arduino Uno has its inbuilt software and we have open source software available. You can Google search it and type Arduino ID and you can get the software for it. Even tutorials are available, so you can make many type of applications with using this Arduino Uno. Here I will give you a brief introduction of what are the different components which are in this circuit. Here the main IC, which is the heart, and it is known as the microcontroller. We have the analog input pins. Here any kind of sensor can be connected with these input pins. Sensor in the sense, say suppose I want to connect a light sensor with it. So if light comes, I want to do some processing, then it can be connected here. Say suppose I want to ring the alarm bell, there is some fire outbreak, I can connect infrared sensor with this input pins, and from the output pins I can get the desired output like alarm, or we can ring the bell. Similarly, it can also have many immense applications based upon your mental aptitude, based upon your mental application. Like say suppose in any industry, you are feeling you want to know about the pressure, then you can connect the pressure sensor here and you can get the reading output. Now again, this can be programmed to connect with your Android Studio, and you can make your own Android application in which you can get direct the output data over your mobile phone. So I will give you a very simple, most simplest programming I will write just in front of you, and it is the blinking of the LED. So you see how I am. So this is the connecting cable and this is the port which will connect my laptop with this module. So I am connecting it. This I have connected and I connected with my laptop and it is on. So this is the code I have written. So there are various input output digital ports from 0 to 13, and there is one ground terminal. At 13 number port I have one LED. So I will connect one LED and I want to do the programming in Arduino, that blinking of LED. This is the most simplest and the basic program which I am showing you as just an introduction, and how powerful this Arduino can be used for running many applications. So this is the LED. As we know that the longer leg is the positive terminal and the smaller is the negative terminal. I am connecting this LED with the terminal number 13 and the negative with the ground. So this here I have connected it, and I will do the programming. Basically in my programming pin mode, I will have to change the pin mode. Since I have connected it 13, port number 13, so I have to do it here 13. It will be my output, and in void loop I have to write that pin number 13. I want to write a blinking program. It will be low. I will incorporate a delay of say 1000 means 1 second. Then I will make this 13 number pin, which is my LED, as high, and again I will put a delay of say. Now after every 1 second it will start blinking. So I upload this program and I will run it, and this now it has started. Yes, this I have done. Now this is the program. Now I can change the delay as per my wish. I want to make this LED fast, so here in program I will make it half second it will blink. I have run the program. Now you can see that this LED has started blinking faster. I can make it even more faster by decreasing the delay time. Here I have made it 0.1 seconds. Now you can see it, this LED has started blinking faster. So friends, this So friends, here I have done one very basic program for LED thing. Now I will do the programming for buzzer. Buzzer will give the alarm. So here I have a buzzer. This is the positive terminal of buzzer and this is the negative. I am just disconnecting it. Now instead of LED I will connect the buzzer to. Now you can see I have connected my buzzer and my positive terminal is at pin number 10. So here pin mode I have to change, and this also I have to make it 10. It will be switch off and I will introduce a delay of say 2 seconds. You can see my buzzer has started. Now after delay of every 2 seconds this buzzer is giving me the alarm. So friends, this was the basic application which I have done at various output pins. I have connected my output devices. Here first is I connected the LED, so LED started blinking. I connected at another pin location. I connected my buzzer. So the buzzer is giving the alarm. So this is the basic thing. Now I can have immense application. If I will connect some sensor here at the input terminal, say the pressure sensor. If say suppose my transformer in tank the oil is filled, I want to have put in my electronic pressure sensor and I want to see that what is the